Hi children, I'm sure you love to do addition. What is addition? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Addition. Now, you learn to do addition. You love to do addition. What is the addition sign? Plus. Yes, good. Now, today, what we are going to do is, we will do addition by forward counting. Okay, it's a lovely little method. We are going to do addition by forward counting. Very interesting. I'm sure you love it. Okay, we'll do few exercises. Addition by forward counting for you to understand better. Shall we? Yes. Let's look at our first exercise. What we have here. The sum, what is asked is, you have to add 6 plus 7. You are given two numbers. You're supposed to add 6 plus 7. That is the problem given to us. How are we going to do this addition? By forward counting. Look what you have. Okay? So, now, look at this. What numbers you have? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have some numbers here. Alright? What is our sum? Please add 6 plus 7, they say. Now, we are going to count forward counting 6 here, but 7 numbers we are going to count forward. Look, how do we do it here? This is number 6. Yes, okay. Now, 6 to 7, 1. 7 to 8, 2. 8 to 9, 3. 9 to 10, 4. 10 to 11, 5. 11 to 12, 6. 12 to 13, 7. You already have 7 here, and we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, that is forward counting. 6 plus 7. What will be your answer? 13. 6. And we counted 7 forward. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 plus 7. What is your answer? 13. Did you enjoy this? So we are asked to do add 6 plus 7 equal to 13. Did you enjoy doing this? Good. Shall we take another exercise? It's very interesting, isn't it? Let's look at what sum we are going to do next. We're supposed to add 5 plus 6 by forward counting. Add 5 plus 6. Let's look at the sum. Okay. Now, 5 plus 6. Let's see what are the numbers given. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. Now we have 5 here. We start counting from 5 to 6. 1, 5 to 6 is 1, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 3, 8 to 9, 4, 9 to 10, 5, 10 to 11, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jumps did 6. So what is? Add 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? Answer 11. We have 5 here and we jump 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Isn't it interesting? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. We did addition by forward counting. Good. Let's take another exercise. Shall we? Good. Look at our sum. What is the sum given to us? Add 6 plus 6. What is the sum given? 6 plus 6. Now we are going to do forward counting. Shall we? Good. Now let's look at the numbers we already have. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have some numbers here. Now 6 here, then we are going to count 6 forward counting. 6 to 7, 1. 7 to 8, 2. 8 to 9, 3. 9 to 10, 4. 10 to 11, 5. And 11 to 12, 6. So we are going to do 6 plus 6 equal to, what is your answer? 12. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Your answer is, you add 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. How did we do? By forward counting. Did you enjoy doing this exercise? Shall we take another sum? Yes, and add by forward counting. Look at the sum you are given to you. Add 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Let's see what numbers we have here. Okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have here the second number is 7, and we are going to do forward counting 7. 9 to 10, 1. 10 to 11, 2. 11 to 12, 3. 12 to 13, 4. 13 to 14, 5. 14 to 15, 6. And 15 to 16, 7. We counted forward 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 plus 7 is, you get 16. 9 plus 7 equal to 16. How did you get? By forward counting. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16 is the answer. What is add 9 plus 7 equal to? What is your answer? 16. Did you enjoy doing it by forward counting? Good. Shall we take another exercise? Let's look at the sum. What have we been asked to do? We are asked to add 8 plus 7. What are you asked? 8 plus 7. Let's look at the numbers given to us. Add 8 plus 7. Here we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Here you have number 8 plus, we are supposed to count forward 7 times. From 8 to 9 is 1, 9 to 10, 2, 10 to 11, 3, 11 to 12, 4, 12 to 13, 5, 13 to 14, 6, 14 to 15, 7. So we jumped how many times? 7. And we got, what is the answer? 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 8 plus 7. And you get the answer 15. Read with me. Add 8 plus 7 equal to 15. How did you get 15? You count it forward. We did addition by counting forward method. What is 8 plus 7 equal to 15? Good. Shall we take another exercise? Let's look at the sum given to us. What is the sum given to us? Add 7 plus 7. Let's look at all the numbers given to us. We're supposed to add 7 plus 7. Look at the numbers. Say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have number 7 here. We have to count forward 7 places. Then you get the answer. Okay? From 7 to 8, 1. 8 to 9, 2. 9 to 10, 3. 10 to 11, 4. 11 to 12, 5. 12 to 13, 6. 13 to 14, 7. We jumped. We count forward 7. So what do we get here? We add 7 plus 7 equal to, what number will you get? 14. Add 7 plus 7 equal to 14. So we got 7 here and we counted forward 7. And what answer did we get? 14. Add 7 plus 7 equal to 14. Shall we take another exercise? Another sum to add after counting forward. Look what is given to us. Add 9 plus 7. Add 9 plus 7. Let's look at the numbers we have on the board. What is it? 9 plus 7. Look at the numbers. Let's count them all. Read aloud. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have number 9. We are going to count forward 7. We are going to count forward 7 times. 9 to 10, 1. 10 to 11, 2. 11 to 12, 3. 12 to 13, 4. 13 to 14, 5. 14 to 15, 6. 15 to 17, 7. So we counted forward 7 times. Adding 9 plus 7. What answer do you get? 16. Add 9 plus 7 equal to 16. Did you enjoy doing this? Good. How did you do? Plus 7 by counting forward. Good. So what is 9 plus 7 equal to? 16. Shall we take another exercise? Good. Look at the sum given to us. Add 3 plus 7. What is 3 plus 7? Let's see the numbers we have. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How are we going to add? By counting forward 7 times. You have 3 here. 3 to 4, 1. 4 to 5, 2. 5 to 6, 3. 6 to 7, 4. 7 to 8, 5. 8 to 9, 6. 9 to 10, 7. We counted 7 numbers forward. And we got 3 plus 7 is 10. By counting forward, we know 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Good. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Did you enjoy doing counting forward in addition? Good. Shall we go to another exercise? Let's look at the sum given to us. Add 7 plus 5. Find out what you get. Add plus 5. Let's look at all the numbers we have. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're going to count forward 5 times. 7. 7 to 8, 1. 8 to 9, 2. 9 to 10, 3. 10 to 11, 4. 11 to 12, 5. So we counted 5 numbers forward and we know 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. How did you get it? By counting forward. Add 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Good.